In the heart of the jungle, many predators rule. The lion has its roar, the leopard has its speed. But there is one terrifying king that weaves a web of death without making a single sound. A creature whose single bite carries enough power to put the largest Asian elephant into a permanent sleep within a few hours. The world calls it the king cobra. But did you know that this is not just any regular snake, but the ultimate executioner of the serpent world? Why does it hold the title of king? And what is the dark, terrifying reality that makes the entire jungle tremble? Let us get straight to the point. The king cobra, known scientifically as Archaeophagus hanner, is one of the most ancient and largest apex predators on Earth. Its evolutionary history spans millions of years, making it the undisputed ruler of its habitat. This creature is primarily found in the dense, damp, and humid tropical rainforests of South and Southeast Asia. From the deep jungles of India to the islands of Indonesia and the Philippines, wherever there is thick undergrowth, swamps, and foreland trees, this ancient hunter establishes its empire. It loves staying near water bodies because, along with being a swift land mover, it is also an excellent swimmer. A typical venomous snake is barely a few feet long, but the history of the king cobra is defined by its massive scale. It is the longest venomous snake in the world, reaching astonishing lengths of 12 to 18 feet. It possesses a unique physical ability that no other snake on Earth has. When threatened or angry, it can lift 1/3 of its entire body straight off the ground. This means it can literally stand 4 feet high, looking a 6-foot human dead in the eyes. Its vision is extraordinary, allowing it to spot and lock its eyes onto any moving object from a distance of 300 feet. The greatest passion and the primary diet of the king cobra are not rats, frogs, or birds, but other snakes. This is no ordinary hunter. It is a cannibal, a creature that feeds on its own kind. The literal meaning of its scientific name, Archaeophagus, is snake eater. Whether it is the deadliest and highly venomous snakes like krites and vipers, or non-venomous ones like rat snakes, it swallows its own relatives alive. Because of this terrifying habit, other snakes completely vanish from its territory, leaving it to rule as the sole sultan of its domain. The king cobra uses its flicking, forked tongue to track its prey, picking up chemical signals in the air to pinpoint an exact location. It strikes with lightning speed and clamps down hard. When it comes to the toxicity of the venom, there are snakes with faster killing toxins, but the real power of the king cobra lies in the massive volume of its payload. In a single bite, it injects nearly 700 milligrams of neurotoxic venom. This quantity is so immense that it can kill 20 adult humans or a massive, full-grown Asian elephant in less than 3 hours. The neurotoxin directly attacks the nervous system, paralyzing muscles and shutting down the respiratory system. Yet, there is a shocking twist to this ruthless killer. It is the only snake in the entire world that builds a proper nest for its future offspring. The female king cobra uses her entire body like a rake to gather dry leaves and bamboo twigs into a large mound. She lays her eggs inside and then coils tightly around them. For weeks, without eating a single meal or leaving the spot, she guards those eggs fiercely against all threats. This display of maternal instinct from a cold-blooded killer completely baffles scientists. The king cobra does not confront humans without a reason. It prefers to slither away into the shadows. But to provoke it means inviting certain death. Which fact about this ancient apex predator surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel right now for more thrilling wildlife documentaries. See you in the next video.